Dear students, today I am going to continue the explanation from page 108, the speech of Lorenzo. He says here, "Yet more quarrelling with occasion, wilt thou show the whole wealth of thy wit in an instant. I pray thee, understand a plain man in his plain meaning. Go to thy fellows, bid them cover the table, serve in the meat, and we will come into dinner." Now, Lorenzo is telling Lancelot, what is he saying here? That why yet more quarreling? Quarreling means disputing. That what is the reason? Why are we having a dispute? Will thou show the whole wealth of thy wit in an instant? Are you going to show your wisdom or intelligence in an instant? So you have to keep in mind that Lorenzo is a clown of the Lancelot is the clown of the play, and he is using the words at the wrong place. For it, like I pray thee, understand a plain man in plain meaning. Go to thy fellows, bid them cover the table, serve in the meat, and we will come into dinner. So he means to say here that Lancelot, he has changed the words. Served and covered, these are the words changed by him. And he means to say that the table shall be covered and the meat shall be served. Lancelot then says, "For the table, sir, it shall be served in. For the meat, sir, it shall be covered. For your coming into dinner, sir, why let it be as humorous and conceits shall govern." So it's told over here that he is changing the words. He is changing the words. The meat has to be served, and the table will be covered with the food that is being arranged on the table. Let it be as humorous. Humorous means amusing, and conceit shall govern. So conceits over here refers to excessive pride. This shall govern, and he exits from the scene. Then Lorenzo says, "My dear Discretion, how his words are suited! The fool hath planted in his memory an army of good words, and I do know a many fools that stand in better place garnished like him, that for a tricksy word defy the matter." Now Lorenzo is surprised at the ability of Lancelot. So he says here, "Oh dear Discretion, how his words are suited." So the words that he is speaking, they might be of different meaning, but they are suiting the purpose. The fool over here refers to Lancelot, hath planted in his memory. So he has a good collection of words in his memory. "And I do know many fools." So Lorenzo says that he knows many fools that stand in better place. So as professional fools, they stand in a better place, garnished like him. So garnished like him refers here to the supply with the stock of words, that for a tricksy word defy the matter. So tricksy word is a word which enables a trick to be played with the help of the double meaning words. Defy the matter. Defy the matter means avoid real meaning. How cheerest thou, Jessica, and now, good sweet, say thy opinion. How dost thou like the Lord Bassanio's wife? Means how do you feel, or how do you like? How do you feel like the Lord Bassanio's wife? Jessica then says, past all expressing. Past all expressing, it means over here that beyond all expressions. It is very meet the Lord Bassanio live an upright life for having such a blessing in his lady. So, as far as Bassanio's life is concerned, he will be living an upright life, which means honorable life. Why? Because he is being blessed with a lady. With a lady. Lady refers to Portia, and he finds the joys of heaven here on earth. So, in the company of Portia, Bassanio is able to experience the happiness of heaven on this earth. And if on earth he do not mean it, then in reason he should never come to heaven. Why, if two gods should play some heavenly match? Now, here it is being told about the heavenly match, which means the match or the game of skill. So, if the two gods, heavenly gods, were to play the game of skill, and two earthly women were to stake, they were at stake, and Portia, one of them, there must be something else pawned with the other. For the poor rude world hath not her fellow. So it's told here, the gist of these lines of Jessica at the end, it's being told that if two heavenly gods were to play the game of skill, and two earthly women were to be the waggers staked on the result of the contest, and if Portia were one of the two, there would have been some additional value added to the other woman to make the stakes equal. So in one sentence you can say that there is no other woman equal to Portia. Even such a husband hast thou of me, as she is for a wife. Jessica then says, nay, but ask my opinion too of that. So she is saying here that you have such a husband in me, and the qualities are being referred here. You have described in Portia as an ideal wife. Then I will soon. Anon means soon. First, let us go to dinner. Jessica says, nay, let me praise you while I have a stomach. Now, stomach over here has two meanings. One is the inclination to praise, and the other is appetite for dinner. Lorenzo says, no, pray thee, let it serve for table talk. Now, let it serve for table talk means we shall have the conversation while we are having dinner. Then howsoever thou speakest among other things, I shall digest it. So it is being told over here that when the conversation is held, when a pleasant conversation is held during the meal, then Lorenzo says that he will be able to digest it. And Jessica says, well, I will set you forth. I will set you forth means here that she means to say that she will praise the qualities and she will put Lorenzo in your place. So these are the things that you have to keep in mind. The most important thing which has to be kept in mind is Lancelot is the clown, but he is capable of using the words. No doubt he uses the double meaning words, but he is capable of using the words to amuse others. I stop here.